not that nice. So I'm gonna, so okay, so yeah, my outfit, if you can see. So let's begin with moisturizer. So my lips are really dry, so I moisturized. I just want to go with my primer, so I'm gonna just put a few dots over here. I want to buy a new primer from Boots, yeah, but I want to finish this primer. I'm gonna just take my concealer. All this concealer I bought from Delhi, so yeah, but I don't use all the products. Like, I've got 3 eye pencils, like black kajal, and I only use
I
one.
just love buying products and makeup, and I just like to collect things. That's what I basically do. But from now on, I'm gonna try to post as many videos as possible. So no matter what products I buy, I wanna show, to you. I just wanna do the review and all.
Today is my makeup day. I'm gonna do so much makeup today, like literally. I love the, Manchester Girl makeup. Let me put some pictures over here. So I really like, I know you might think like, am I insane? Like, really, seriously? Yeah, I love that makeup so much. I don't know why. I love to do a lot of makeup on my face. I don't know, I'm just like that. So I'm gonna pick dark green eyeshadow. I'm gonna just put it. Okay, I'm just using this exotic palette I got from Delhi. So this is like really good eyeshadow palette. I feel like buying more, but then I don't even use the one I have it, so I'm trying not to buy. There were like so many instances, like I would pick up and then I would put it back, and then sometimes I would just look at the eyeshadow palettes. I'm like, should I pick, and then I just don't. That's it. Usually I keep it like super neutral when it comes to my eyeshadows. I don't do colors at all, especially when I'm going to work, but today I'm doing it because I don't know, so I feel like I messed up. Okay. I really need to buy a good eyeliner. Really thick black eyeliner. And with the eyeliner, oh my god, I'm just so pissed at this camera quality. It's the worst camera. I mean, I'm using 15 Pro Max and I got this phone just to do the videos, and I tell you, this is the worst front camera. My iPhone 8 Plus was far better than this. I don't know why. This is like so horrible. I'm just so pissed at this camera. I mean, it's just washing me out. Can you see? I already look like I've got makeup on. I already look like I've got foundation on. I don't know what to do with this camera. I'm just so pissed. Like, if you have any tips, please give me. Or maybe I should start making videos with my back camera. Yeah. So I switched my camera to the back camera, and I think it's far better now. So let's continue the makeup. So I think I should be making videos from my back camera from now on, because front camera is awful. Like, anyways, so I have to, okay, I'm done with my eyeliner. As I mentioned, I've got kajal kohl pencil, so I'm gonna use this to do the upper lash line. This is really important if you're doing like fake lashes. 2 eyelashes over here. So I'm gonna put this on. Guys, I'm done with both of my eyes. Can you see I've got eyelashes on? So I prefer putting eyelash glue on over my eyelash and lash line, and then stick my eyelash on, because That way it stays for really long, and the hold is like far better. I'm doing all this makeup just for 1 or 2 hours because I'm gonna come back, and I've got so much office work to do. So yeah, okay, this is how my eyes look. So I'm gonna quickly do my face, and I'm gonna do a lot of foundation today, like a lot. I just love to do a lot of makeup. So today is that day where I'm gonna put so much makeup on. And yeah, I'm just trying to do Manchester girl makeup. So I don't know why I kind of like that. I know everybody hates it. I know nobody want to see that much makeup on the face, but I kind of like it. So, and I'm not sure, I might do some Instagram videos. So yeah, the sun comes back and then goes back again. I mean, I'm sorry about that. So I don't know what to do. Alright, so I'm gonna use these two foundations. This is a shit foundation, like never use it on its own. I mean, this is something which I hate, and my skin doesn't like this. My skin is really dry, one shade lighter, so I'll go with one shade darker. So this is really good foundation. Like NYX is best foundation as compared to this one, this red cap one. But then there's another foundation which is with the white cap that is nice. I'll show you that later. These are the two foundations I'm gonna be using today. So let's begin. So I'm gonna take a few pumps of these, okay, like that. And the smell is really bad. I'm gonna take my dark skin foundation, dark shade. I'm gonna put this on. Plenty of foundation. I can actually cover my entire face with this. I'm gonna do that, I guess. Okay, I'm going with the too dark foundation. Don't worry if you do like dark foundation, I can fix it. Oh my god, I forgot to take up my mirror. I don't want it to spoil my clothes. So I'm gonna go with this powder. I know I don't really show you the products I use usually, and I don't even put it in the description because I'm so lazy. So I'm gonna use this blusher which I got from India. Okay, concealer to brighten my under eyes. Should I do it? No need. I'm kind of liking my tanned face. I used this kajal I got from Temu, and I bought it to put it on my eyes, but this smudges really badly, so I decided to use it as an eyebrow gel. Okay. Yeah, so I'm gonna use this. This is kind of like a foundation-ish powder. It's like really thick powder, so I don't normally put it on. Okay, so I'm gonna use that powder because this area looks really oily, so I really wanna, powder it. So I'm gonna do that. Oh my god, I put so much on. Because this powder is like kind of like a foundation, and it's like really yellowish, super yellowish. I still doubted it's a powder. I feel like foundation in a powder. It's a foundation. Oh, what the fuck, I never realized it. Foundation in a powder. Oh, it's a It's a foundation, and all my life I thought it's a powder. Oh, stupid me. Anyways, I'm gonna use it as a powder. Okay. So I've got this lipstick from Boots, I guess, Glide On Lip Cream. Yeah. So I'm gonna put this on. This is like really drying, to be honest. Like, this is like super drying on my lips, but I love the color. It's like the best shade for my lips. What do you think of this lip color? I kind of like. I just don't like too much color on my lips because I've got so much color on my eyes. And I don't know. So, what do you think of my makeup? I'm almost done, like almost done. So, I've got. Okay, this lipstick is drying. This is like really beautiful tone. I don't know how I bought this. I bought it from. No. I didn't buy it from Boots. I bought it from Superdrug. Yeah. So, yeah. So I'm gonna take this kajal, and it is Scandal Eyes by MEL London. I don't know which brand is this. Ramel, sorry, Ramel London. So I'm gonna take this. You might be wondering, like, what am I doing? But hold on. So you take the kajal, and can you see the eyelash glue? The shiny eyelash glue. You have to paint it with your kajal, because the shiny glue makes it looks like you stuck your eyelashes on it, like clearly, though you know that you stuck and people know that you did that. But to make it look nice, just hide the glue like that. Can you see this eye and this eye? I'm gonna do the same thing on this eye. It completely look different in real life. I am 2-3 shades darker than what you see here. I don't know why the hell I look like this on the camera. I mean, this is 15 Pro Max, the worst camera in the world. Well, it might, I don't know, or maybe I don't know what to do. If you know some settings, please let me know. This is not done. I mean, I look different in real life. I do. So, okay, my table looks really messy. So, okay, I am done with my makeup, as you can see, and I already put a nice clothes on, and I'm about to head out the door. So before I do that, I want to do my hair. Okay, so my hair, I'm gonna brush my hair. Is so greasy. I gotta wash my hair tomorrow. I'm gonna wash my hair because on Monday I've got work, because I'm not liking my hair down. Oh, I like to take out my bangs fringe. I buy a lot of scrunchies from Primark. Okay, how do I look now? Okay, I look nice. Maybe. What do you think? Please let me know in the comments down below. What do you think of my look? Do you like me? What? You can't really see my real face. Oh god, I just want to break this phone. Oh, I really want to fucking break this phone. What kind of awful camera is it? Like, it's not picking my true skin tone, making me look really white. I don't know what am I supposed to do. Tried fixing this motherfucking camera. Well, I can't. This is how I look, and I'm not really enjoying it. I want to look dark because I am dark. I know it's making me look really light. I'm not light skinned. I don't know what to do. I am hating this camera. I can't do anything. I've got a necklace right here, so which I'm gonna put it on from. So this is how I look with the jewelry on. Should have put this earring on, but I lost it, so I'm gonna go with this one. So yeah, I'm done. Okay, you know, whenever I look into the camera, I get so mad. So enough of blabbering. Let me just go now. Okay, my outfit. Okay, this is like the tag. I should have taken it out. But anyway, so oh my god, it's so windy out there. All right, so this is like my outfit. If you can see, I look girly. So this is kind of really cute outfit. My room is like a big mess, like so messy at the moment. So this is the body lotion I use. Okay, just to, oh my god, my bed is all messed up, my makeup area is all messed up. I looks, oh my god, everything looks so messy. So my skin is like really dry. No matter how much body lotion I apply, it gets drier after a few hours. I'm gonna go with this bag, which I got from TK Maxx, not TJ, it's TK. I think I should go with this bag today. I don't know, should I go with this one or that one? I think this looks really cute. Do it look nice? Okay, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. So everybody, I'm back home. I just went for shopping and let me quickly show you what I got. So I went to Primark, as I mentioned, and then I bought this cute little handbag. I mean, can you see? It's so lovely, it's so cute. So this all looks like, if you can see. It's not really very spacious, but yeah, super cute. And then I bought nail polish remover from Poundland for £1, and then I've got like cotton balls to remove the nail polish, and then I've got eyeliner. It's in maroonish color, and then I've got one more eyeliner. It's in silver, and each of these were £5. And then I've got this eyeliner, like black eyeliner. It's for £6, and then I've got color corrector for £6. So yeah, and my bag was for £9 only. So that's about it. I came back home, so I'm gonna go cook food now. That's my outfit. And for my footwear, I wore these. These I got from on sale from Marks and Spencer's in Bluewater. So that's about it. Yeah, bye.
Dangerous times, don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight.